up, guys? This is your girl Destiny, Miss Destiny, and today I wanted to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Let's get started. So first things first, what I do is I brush them, and if you see me looking over, it's because my mirror is right here and I just need to see. So I did. So first things first is I brush them. So after I brush them, I then take this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil and I basically line my eyebrows like this. Next, what I do is I fill them in, and I don't fill them in with like a regular eyebrow filler. I fill them in with like an old dried up mascara. So I fill them in with the old dried up mascara, and this is by Wet n Wild, the Mega Protein Mascara. Brush them back out with the same dried up mascara that I brushed them out before with. So they may look crazy, but that's the fun part of concealer. So the concealer that I use is by Black Radiance, the True Colors one. But this is what she looks like. And I'm going to use the darker side to conceal my eyebrows. Top coat, I'm gonna take this Dream Liquid Mousse by Maybelline, the airbrush finish, and put it on the top eyebrow just so it doesn't look too discolored or, you know, all that sweetness. Gosh, if I drop this on my pants, I'm gonna be so upset because like this part is very loose. Oh, my nails are ratchet. Okay. So then I like to get my precision, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I just like to make sure like they're like, you know, they're like sharp. So I just go back over and kind of clean it up as well. Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Alright, now I'm gonna blend them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So I just finished my makeup. The eyebrows are done. They are done. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. Please hit that bell for the post notification so you know when I post, because I'm always going to be posting no matter what. And I'm out. Peace.